Welcome to the Incompetent Griller, where I'm going to teach you, an incompetent griller, how to look like you know what you're doing when grilling in front of your family and friends. Today we'll be grilling shrimp skewers on a Weber Kettle grill. To get started, we're going to make a marinade for our shrimp using garlic, brown sugar, hot sauce, vinegar, salt, and red pepper flakes. A list of measurements is in the description. Once you've whisked those together, pour in your shrimp, stir, and let them spend some time marinating. This is what turns them from regular shrimp into firecracker shrimp. This flavor is really going to impress your friends.
How did you do that?
It's easier than it looks.
No, I don't think so.
If making a marinade feels too difficult, just sprinkle on any barbecue seasoning that sounds good to you and skip ahead in the video to the grilling stage. The shrimp should remain in the marinade for around 20 minutes, or up to an hour if you so desire, during which time you can also be soaking your wood skewers in water so they don't burn on the grill later. Next, light some charcoal in your chimney. The coals should be ready in about 20 to 30 minutes. During this time, you can remove the shrimp from the marinade and get them skewered so they'll be ready when the grill is. Press the shrimp closely together on a skewer to keep them from drying out. Packing them tightly also makes them easier to flip on the grill and helps keep the moisture in. This way the shrimp cook together as though they were one jumbo shrimp, rather than several individual shrimp. Once everything is ready, head outside to pour your coals in the middle of the grill. Put the cooking grate in place, then put the lid on to heat up the grate. A hot grill leads to less sticking.
Let's put another shrimp on the barbie.
Shrimp should be cooked hot and fast. Cooking them too slowly leads to overcooking, which will leave your shrimp rubbery in texture. No one wants that, so keep your top and bottom vents wide open to get that heat going. We're going to grill these for 2 minutes on the first side, then a minute on the other. Just remember to keep the lid on in between flipping. As Charles Darwin explained when studying the evolution of animals, if you're looking, you're not cooking. While you're waiting, since shrimp cook up fast, why not play a quick round of rock, paper, scissors? Just don't use prison rules. That's dangerous.
What? Ow! Oh! Where did you grow up?
In prison.
Now that 2 minutes have passed, go ahead and flip each skewer once. Then put the lid on for 1 more minute. You'll be able to tell the shrimp is fully cooked when the meat of the shrimp has turned pink, which has already begun to happen. After 1 more minute, we can see that these are looking delicious. Pull them off the grill and bring them inside. They have a little kick to them, but I'm sure it's nothing you can't handle.
Danger's my middle name.
You could choose to eat these straight off the skewer, put them in a po' boy sandwich, or serve them on a bed of rice. The key part is eating them. I'm going to stop this video now so I can do just that. Let me know of your own successes down in the comments after trying this method yourselves. Have a great day.